Over the last decade, we've slowly entered a world where we don't really own anything anymore. The movies we watch, the games we play, even the software we use, everything now demands a monthly payment. It wasn't always like this. Once you could buy something, and that was the end of the story, you'd own it. But today, you don't own the product, you rent access to it. And that access can vanish the moment you stop paying. This is how the subscription trap took over our lives. It started with a promise. Netflix told us we could watch anything we wanted, anytime, or just a small monthly fee. Spotify said the same thing about music, and for a while it worked. It felt freeing. No ads, no discs, no clutter. But underneath that convenience was a new business model, one that would quietly rewrite how we spend money forever. Subscriptions are designed to feel small. $10 here, $15 there, and you barely even notice it, until one day you realize you're paying hundreds every month. This is the psychology behind the model. Make it invisible. You don't consciously decide to buy something. The money just leaves your account automatically, forever. You don't feel the transaction, and because of that, you never stop questioning it. When companies realized how effective this was, they all followed. Adobe was one of the first, transforming Photoshop from a one-time purchase into a lifetime lease. BMW introduced subscription-only features for their cars. Even fast food chains began offering loyalty tiers that functioned like digital memberships. It was no longer about owning it. It was about keeping people locked in. The logic is simple. Once a customer enters the system, they rarely ever leave, and that means guaranteed income indefinitely. The shift to subscriptions didn't just change the way we pay, it changed what we're allowed to watch. Movies and series vanished overnight as streaming rights expire or regional deals change. Something that exists in one country might not be completely missing in another. This is where another industry quietly grew alongside the subscription boom: VPN services. As people realized entire libraries were being locked behind borders, millions began turning to tools like NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN. All this just to access shows that they already paid for. Isn't that ironic? The same system built on unlimited access forced users to find workarounds to keep that freedom. As people in the UK using Netflix might have not had access to the same stuff that people had in the US or in Australia. In turn, people used VPNs to change their location to access those shows, and in trying to control distribution, streaming companies created the perfect market for VPNs, a digital loophole that lets people experience the internet how it used to be, open, borderless, and actually free. Escaping the subscription trap is not simple. Every major company uses it now because it works. But the first step isn't canceling everything. It's understanding that convenience comes with control, that the more comfortable we get with renting, the less ownership we have over everything, including our time. Fighting the subscription epidemic isn't about boycotting every service. It's about choosing carefully. Buy things outright when you can, use open source alternatives, own physical copies of the media you truly love. And if you're paying monthly, make sure it's something that genuinely adds value, not just another app quietly draining your wallet. Because every subscription you cancel is one small step towards freedom and one less company owning your attention. The subscription model isn't going anywhere anytime soon, but awareness is the first way out. And if you made it this far, you already understand the system better than most. Ironically, if you want to keep watching more videos like this, you know exactly what to do. And if you made it this far, please like and subscribe, as I want to make this my job in the future. And if you made it all the way to the end and you're hearing me speak, please comment the peach emoji, as I want to see how many people actually make it to the end. And that's going to be all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.